Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical shorts, and have the refrigerant professionally recovered so you don't release gas. Once that's done, raise the car and secure it on jack stands, and remove any engine covers or intake pieces that block compressor access. You want clear sight lines and room to work. This prevents dropped bolts and gives you space to maneuver the compressor and clutch wiring harnesses for the next steps. Now you remove the old unit. Verify the system has been evacuated, then label and disconnect the electrical connectors and refrigerant lines, keeping caps handy to avoid contamination. Loosen the serpentine belt tensioner, slip the belt off, and unbolt the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the compressor so it doesn't fall. Drain the compressor oil into a clean container and compare its type and volume with the new compressor's spec, making sure oil compatibility preserves system lubrication, and install the new compressor by precharging it with the correct oil amount and type, then position it and torque the mounting bolts to manufacturer specs. Replace all O-rings with new ones lightly coated in PAG oil, reconnect refrigerant lines and electrical plugs, reinstall the serpentine belt, and reconnect the battery. Next, vacuum the system to remove moisture and air, recharge to the specified refrigerant weight, and run the A/C while checking for leaks and proper clutch cycling. If pressures are wrong, recheck line fittings and orifice tubes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.